Okay, hey guys. This might not be a very good video because I can't hold the phone because I'm gonna be doing stuff and I don't really know if you can see what I'm holding. I'll just have to check the video after, but I have an apple, 2 glow sticks, and a knife. What we're gonna be doing is a what's inside video, but it's almost gonna be gardening. So first we're gonna see what's inside a glow stick. Oh, it's cracking. I'm nervous. I don't know if it's like toxic. And by the way guys, this is already cracked, so it's not gonna just like start glowing. It's leaking yellow liquid. Oh no. It's leaking yellow liquid. Oh my gosh. Look. It's like leaking. Drip! I'll cut it up close. I didn't realize that it'd work up close. Cut this open, try and get it to leak. You need to like cut it high up though so you guys can see it. You can hear it cracking, it's already a cracked one. And this liquid is like solid almost, like, oh, nope. Not anymore. Kind of stained the ground a little bit. And now I'm going to cut open an apple and see what's inside. What's inside an apple? Apple. And seeds. And what is inside the glow? Oh. It's just flowing blue goop all over my phone. I don't really know what's inside the glow stick. I know what's inside the apple, because it's apple. And seeds. Good job, me. And death.